How to send gold stickers on Monopoly Go. Hey guys, let's get started. Sending stickers to friends is fairly straightforward, but when it comes to golden stickers, however, things get a little more complicated. Monopoly Go has restriction that does not allow you to freely gift golden stickers. Exchanging or gifting golden stickers requires that you have to wait for the Golden Blitz event, which can make trading a little tedious even if events happen rather frequently. During the Golden Biz, you will be given the opportunity to send or request a specific pair of golden stickers determined by the event itself. So, for this, the steps are tap on the album, select the collection with the golden sticker you want. It should have a glimmering animation during the Golden Biz. After that, tap on duplicate golden stickers. A close up of sticker will open along with a button reading send to friend in a bar at the bottom. Select the friend from the list and press continue. Confirm you really want to send the stickers by tapping on send, and that's it. You have successfully sent a golden sticker. However, you will not be able to send the golden stickers outside their respective Golden Blitz event. Instead of the send to friend button, you will see a caption, this sticker cannot be gifted. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.